first way you make money is through direct referral commissions. The second way is from your traffic, generating leads, making sales. And the third way is from the affiliate rewards program. What do you have to do? Buy a product, okay, packs. Those packs go into a straight line matrix, and then you have to complete your qualifiers. It's going to take you about 3 minutes per day. What do you have to do? You have to log in once per day. You get a point for that. You'll see that in your back office. You get a point for logging in once per day. It is imperative that you log in once per day. Number two, click on 2 text ads. Okay. You'll get a point for each of those. Okay. You need 5 points for the day. We've already got 3. Okay. Then we're going to click on 2 banner ads. We get 2 more points. We now have 5 points. We're done for the day. We just did our work for the day. Okay. Yeah. And then weekly, like I already just explained, click on that solo ad, click on that activation link once per week. Okay. I'm going to open up every email.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know where that link is going to be exactly. Maybe it's going to be in the subject line, but I'm going to open up every one, read those emails, and then I'm going to click on that link, find it, and I'm going to activate weekly. Okay. That's it. I'm done. That's the only requirements that I got to do.